What's up, buddy? What? Are you mad? Bruce. Come on, you want to get out? What? What you crying for? Let me go let... Were you crying? Has she got something you want? She's got 2 bones over here, don't she? Are you hogging both of them, little girl? Shiloh, has she got your bones? She got both of them? She got your... What? She take both of your bones. She's being a bad girl. What's your matter? Do you want me to take them away from her? Shelby, you didn't. You got all of them? Don't you want to give brother some? You have them all? I'm coming, Mackenzie. You want me to take them away from her? She's being bad girl. You want me to give them to you, big boy? Sissy, take them all. Sissy, how could you? How could you, Sissy? What? Oh, no. Let me go let Mackenzie in. It's cold outside. Okay? Let me be right back. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. You sit still. Yeah, don't hurt Sissy.